Hi, everyone. Today, we're gonna talk about the family Passifloracea, and this is an example of the 3 to 5 minute video that you have to make for your final project. These are flowers from the family Passifloracea, which are very beautiful in my opinion, and they're big and exuberant. And passiflora literally means passion flower. So passi from the Latin passion and flora from flower. So it literally means passion flower. They are native from Central and South America, so a big chunk of Latin America. And one of the members of the family Passifloracea is Passiflora edulis, passion fruit, maracuja, and it grows in a vine. This is the flower. It's very common in Colombia, and it's very common to have juices from maracuja, from passion fruit. That's the emblem passion fruit. Another member, Passiflora ligularis, which is granadilla, it's more common to eat. It also grows in a vine. These are pictures from granadilla. These are taken by my friend Adriana Guzman, who has a company, Hands and Crops. This is how it looks. It's a native cultivar from Colombia. This is how it looks. These are the seeds, and this is the baby plant. And these are pictures of mine. This is the fruit. This is how it looks, and it is very juicy, even though there it doesn't look very juicy. But if you strain the seeds, you can have the juice. When we were growing up, we would call granadilla mocos de elefante, which is elephant boogers. I know it's not that nice, but that's how we used to call it when we were kids. And this is my mom and my son, and he's having the juice, the granadilla juice, and as you can see, he really, really likes it. This is when he was a baby. Something that I found interesting is that the family Passifloracea is part of the order Malpighiales, along with Ricinus communis. Ricinus communis is the castor oil plant, and the oil from the castor oil plant is used for soaps and beauty products and paints and waxes, etc. So they're related. The castor oil plant and the family Passifloracea, they're related. They're in the same order. And something that I should say is that the genus Passiflora has a subgenus Passiflora and has another subgenus Decaloba. So you have Passiflora passiflora and Passiflora decaloba, which is important for these graphs. I found this paper on genome size. As you know, I work with genomes, so I'm very interested in papers related to genomes. And I found this figure 3, interesting because you see a very strong correlation. Here in the x-axis you have genome size, and in the y-axis you have the diameter of the flower. So there is a very strong correlation between genome size in the x-axis and the flower diameter. Now, the black squares are the subgenus Passiflora, and when you separate them by genus and you have the white squares from the subgenus Decaloba, you lose that correlation. However, something that I found even more interesting is that this paper does not have the axis labels. So these figures do not have the labels on its axis, which if I were the reviewer, that would have been a no. You need to have labels in your axis in your figures. Even though they're in the legend, you still need to have the labels in your figure. So 3 things that I learned about the family Passifloracea. Their name literally means passion flower. They are native from Central and South America, and there may be a correlation between genome size and flower diameter. So the bigger the genome, the bigger the flower. And there's some journals that publish their graphs without axis labels. I would really like to thank my friend Adriana Guzman for her pictures. She has a really cool company, Hands and Crops, in Colombia, where they do urban agriculture. And thank you.